Hello, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. Thank you all viewers for always sharing our channel with your care and then subscribing and other things. We say thank you for all that you have been doing in our channel. We are here once again to prepare a meal, which is TZ, but we are going to use millet and then cassava dough to prepare TZ. So I have my pepper here, fresh pepper, green one, with my fresh tomatoes. Then I have my onions. Then my fish, salmon fish, and then my willy. And I have crab here, nice one of course. Then my ginger and then garlic. Then my smoked fish. Then I have okra too here that I'll be using to prepare the soup. Then ayoyo leaves. And my meats, chicken meats. Then lastly, my salt that I'll be using to prepare the soup. Okay, time for cooking. Stay and then watch out at how I'm going to prepare my meal, and just stay back and watch how I'm going to go through my preparing of food. So time for cooking. I'm going to cook now. Okay, I'm about to wash my meat and then transfer it into my saucepan and then start cooking. So I'm done washing my meat. I'm now going to cut my willy and then fish and add it to it. So I'm now washing it and add it to my meat. I'm about to dress my crab and then add it to my meat. So I'm now conveying inside my bowl and wash it. So you have to dress it well before washing it so that any bad material or any dirty things in it, remove it. So this is how we do it. Just follow the procedure and watch how we are going to prepare it. So I'm about to add it to my meat. I'm cutting my ingredients to blend it, and I add some of the onions to my meat and now steam it. Okay, I'm done cutting my ingredients and I'm going to wash it and now blend it. So I'm bringing my blender so that I'll transfer it inside it and now start blending. As you can see, I'm about to transfer it inside my blender. Now blend it. So I'm adding a little bit of water. Okay, my ingredients are ready. I'm going to add it to my meat and now start cooking. Time to set fire as I'm about to start cooking like that. So already we are always saying that we don't have access to gas, so we use crock pot and then firewood as a source of cooking. So it's only this means that we can cook our food in our village. So I'm done setting my fire with that. I'm going to prepare my meat and then come and put it on fire. Okay, I'm putting my meat on fire. Now adding my ingredients, that is salt, to give me taste. Now my onions to my blended ingredient, that is ginger, onion and then garlic. So I will now cover it and leave it to steam. I'm about to wash my pepper and now put it inside my blender and blend that one too. So I'll add a little bit of water. Then start blending. blend well. I'm done blending my pepper. Wow, I'm now dressing my smoked fish. So that I'll add it to my already steaming meat that is on fire, so that it will give me good taste. You know, this one have more protein and then ingredients in it, so you have to dress it well before you add it to it. Some prefer adding the head bar, but we don't like the head, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Sometimes if you want it to get in a uniform way, you can pound it after dressing it, so that it will be like a powdered form, then you add it to it. Wow, now I'm done dressing it. So I'm now going to wash it and add it to my already meat on fire that is steaming. I'm about to wash it. Now add it to my meat on fire. Adding. Wow, my meat is getting ready. Very soon it will be ready right now. Now I'm adding my grounded pepper to it. So let me stir it small and see how it is. Wow, only the aroma will kill me. Very soon my soup will be ready. Now I'm going to prepare my ayoyo and then okra. And now to pluck my ayoyo and now put it on fire. Then after the ayoyo, I'll continue with my okra. Then bind it and parboil it for a minute and add it to my soup. Sometimes some people prefer you directly pouring it inside the soup, the steam meat like that, but we prefer like boiling it for a minute before you add it to the steam meat, so that you get a good taste of it. So try it in your home and you will see how sweet it is. Now I'm washing my okra and then start grading it. Some like chopping it into small pieces, but me, because I want it fast, I'm going to grade it with my small grater. Then I'll start my soup like that. Before then, you have to cut the hair out before you can start grading it. Wow, this one is smooth. Very soon I will finish my soup, then continue with my millet fufu. Sometimes when you grate it like this, it have a sleeping texture, which will make the soup longer for a time before the sleeping will do. So that is the reason why I'm grading my own like this. Oh wow, Wow, now I've finished grinding my okra. So this is how it is. So I'm going to cut my ayoyo into small pieces and then bind it together and then parboil it and use it for my soup. I'm putting my water on fire so that I can parboil my ayoyo and okra before adding it to my steamed meat. So I'll leave it. I'm about to finish chopping my ayoyo. So after I'm done, I'll convey it inside my bowl. Now mix it with my okra. Then pour it inside my boiled water, which is on fire. So I'm done. I'm coming to convey it. So I'm adding it like this. So that it can mix well before I'll boil it. So I'll wait when the water boils, then I'll pour it inside. Now I'm adding my ayoyo to my boiled water. So I will leave it on fire for about 30 minutes. Then I will take it off before adding it to my steamed meat. Wow, it's very nice. The soup will get ready right now. So I'm leaving it on fire for 30 minutes. Okay, I'm not covering it because if I cover it, it will pour out. If it pour out, it's all the taste that will pour out like that. So I'm leaving it this way for it to boil. Then I'll remove it from the fire. Wow, my ayoyo is ready. So I'm coming to take it off from the fire. Then add it to my steamed meat. Then start stirring my cheeses. That will be using my millet flour to prepare it. Wow. So now I'm about to add my salmon fish to it because I don't want it to break into small pieces. That's why I don't combine it with the meat. So my soup will be ready right now. So after then I will add my ayoyo to it. Wow. So I'll cover it for about a minute and add ayoyo to it.
Action.
As my soup is on fire, I'm putting my water on fire so that I can stir my cheeses. So I'll allow it to boil before I'll now stir it. Wow, my soup is getting ready. Now I'm about to add the ayoyo to it. See how it's slipping it is. So let me taste it and see. This soup is here. Maybe I will not enjoy it today. It's very, very delicious. So my soup is ready like that. I'll leave it for about 5 minutes, then I'll take it off. Wow, food is ready. Now my soup is ready. I'm taking it off. Now I left with my dessert that I'll be using the flour, which is millet flour, to prepare it with corn flour. Now my water is boiling, so I want to dilute some of the millet flour inside the water before I'll start stirring, so that it won't form any lump inside. So after then, I'll pour it inside the boiling water. So this way you have to do it uniformly before it will form lump. So I'll allow it to boil small before I'll add the flour to it. Okay, it's now ready, so I'm about to stir it. So I'm going to use the millet flour, prepare it. After then, on the process, I'll add the cassava dough to it, so that we'll get a good starch texture from it. So I'm fetching this water because along the stirring, if the food is hard, then I'll add it to it so that it will become soft. Someone will say that maybe it look like this thing, cocoa, but it's not. So you will adding the flour small. So you have to imagine it. You will fetch the flour accordingly. If not, if it's too hard, you can't stir. So this one like this is okay. So along the line, I'll add the cassava dough to it, so that it will be soft and then have a good starchy form, because only the millet flour doesn't have starch. It's not like the way Konkonte have a starch. So viewers, family viewers, try to do this in your home and see how it is. It's just a simple procedure. I'm diluting the cassava dough with water, so that I'll add it to it. Because if I just add it that way, I can't stir it. So I have to dilute it inside water before I can stir it well. So I'm pouring it inside whilst I'm stirring continuously. Now it's well mixed, so I will now test and see whether it's so hard or it's soft for me. If it is hard, then I will now add the water that fetch it down and then add it to it. This one there, it's not half soft, so let me add some more water to it. But then I will leave it on fire for it to steam before I will continue stirring. Someone may ask why I'm adding this water but not ordinary water. The reason is that when you add the cocoa water to it, it will last for long without spoiling early. But when you add a cold water to it, it will not last, it will spoil early. So that is our reason. Okay, it's now steam, so I'm continuing stirring like that. When you leave it for it to steam, it will cook early. So that's why I'm doing it this way. And after then, you have to be stirring it small before it can mix. So my food is getting ready. Now I'm downstairs, I'm about to mold it. So it depends how you want it. Sometimes you can just convey it inside the pot and then transfer it inside the bowl like that. But you want it smooth way like this. That is why I'm molding it this way. Stop. So last one. Almost there, I'm done. food is nice. So try this in your various home and you will see how it is. Okay, my food is ready like that. We are going to eat. My consumer association are ready for me. Follow me as we are going to consume our food. Now my food is ready. I'm about to serve and my family are gathered to eat. So watch out how we enjoy our meal. Wow. This food will be very delicious. The way it just appeared. But one thing that I want you to do for me is to comment, share the channel, like the video, and then you give thumb up on our channel. Feel free to talk about anything that you think is good so that we can do it better. Well, so it's time for consuming. We are about to consume our food. Wow. Preparing of this meal is not something very difficult. It's just a matter of how you follow the procedure, how you use it, and then you enjoy your meal. And you get your flour, which is millet flour, and then your cassava dough. Then you start your cooking of millet seasons. Normally people use their different kind of flour to prepare it, but we prefer using the millet because it doesn't contain much starch. So try to consume some.
Welcome back, guys, once again to AGY Angle. We thank you for everything you are doing for the channel. Today we take you to a different and a special traditional Ghanaian delicacy. You know, this food is called millet seasons. Yes, and then it comes along with a whole lot of health benefits. Yes, it comes along with a whole lot of health benefits, very beneficial to the body. We have our soup, which is mainly made of leaves, and when I say leaves, I believe most of you know the benefits of leaves to the body. We have our meat here, different kinds of meats. We have our crab here, we have our salmon here, we have our dry fish also here, yes, and a whole lot of meats. I would urge you to like the video, share, and then you subscribe to the channel. Moreover, you don't forget to leave your opinion. Yes, we are more interested in the comments you drop, and we make sure we attend to any comment that drops on the channel. You can see the consumer, the families, already seated, and as I speak, they are already on the mission. So, without talking much, I think I would have to join the family. But then, guys, you don't forget, like I said, to share the video. You like, and then you subscribe. You make sure you press on the bell button, yes, so that anytime you drop a video, you're surely gonna get a notification of that. So let me concentrate on my food for now, and then be with us. AGY Angle, subscribe.
Wow, the food is delicious. The way I'm enjoying it, it's not easy. Why? I've never eaten this kind of before. Today is my first time that I've prepared this food. And the way I'm enjoying it, I can't even compare it to different food. So guys, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and then share your comments.
Wow. 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 Consumers Association on course.
We never disappoint.
As people can see, the Consumers Association on their way consuming the food. I can't talk, I have to continue if you know that. By the time I realize the food is finished.
As you can see, we've done eating all the food because millet TZ is very sweet. It's not always that you use the millet for porridge or pito or something like that, but it's good to eat millet because it's not only meant for pito or porridge. Some people use it, if you go to northern part of Ghana, some people use it for drinks and others also use it for porridge. But today we use it for TZ because it's very tasty and delicious. Please try this in your houses and see how it tastes. You can try this anytime at all in your houses with the green soup because we prepare okra soup with ayoyo and then it's very tasty. Please try TZ food and don't forget to subscribe, like, then you leave your comment in the comment section. You can also leave your opinion in the comment section over there for us.
Lovely people, you don't need to be told. You don't need to be told. In fact, we have really enjoyed the whole thing. Yes, we have really enjoyed the whole thing. We just want to say a thank you to you. Yes, we just want to say, show our gratitude to you. You know, we appreciate everything you are doing. And then one of these days, we are thinking and planning of inviting one of our lovely followers, you know, to come confirm things for yourselves. Yes, who knows, you might be the lucky one. Yes, and very soon we are going to do that. So, but then today's food has been consumed as our name goes. We never disappoint. Yes. So once again, we thank you. But then before we sign off, yes, before we sign off, you see, I'm even struggling to talk. That should tell you how, you know, how full my belly is. Before we sign off, like I said, we would urge you to like the video, and we keep on saying this, yes. We urge you to like the video, you share, you subscribe. After you subscribing to it, you make sure you click on the bell on the right side, yes, so that anytime we upload and we put a video on the channel, you'll be the first person to get a notification of it. Yes. And then most importantly, you try your possible best to leave your comments. You see, in the course of the cooking, maybe you might have seen something that baffled you, or you want to ask a question on that. Yes, leave your questions, your opinion, being it anything that you have in mind. Yes, just drop it on the channel. Yes, your comments keeps us going. So thank you. Yes, thank you. So Igyo, I Angel. So